Hey, everybody. This is your cousin Hawkeye Howard. And today I wanted to talk to you just briefly about the different ways that you can become a trader. There's not just one way to do this. You can be a day trader, which means that you're in and out of the market each day. You can be a swing trader, which I am most of the time. I'm a swing trader. That means that you can be in the market one day and keep that particular trade going for 1 week, for 2 weeks, for a month, or even longer, just as long as that particular trade is going in your favor. You can also be an investor. You can find a particular stock that you like, let's just say Microsoft, Apple, whatever it may be, invest in that particular stock, hold that stock for 1 year, 5 years, 20 years, for your children, for your grandchildren, if you feel that that stock is going to go up in value over the years. So you can be part investor, hold some stocks. You can be a swing trader, like I am, for the most part, buying some shares of stock, holding them for a little longer period of time, then selling to make my profits, hopefully. Or you can be a day trader, in and out of the market, all in one day. So without further ado, let me go to a chart to show you guys and give you a good example of what we're talking about. Now, this particular chart would be more inclined for day trading. If you look up here, you see that 1M. That means it's a 1 minute chart. So in other words, each one of these bars, each one of these candles is changing every minute. So look to your left over here. I'm sorry, look to your right over here, and you will see it would look something like this. 1 minute, another minute. 1 minute, another minute. 1 minute, another minute. Every minute. So you can see as a day trader, you are sitting at your computer for the time that the markets are open, just watching to see if you can find yourself a good trade. I do not have the patience or the time to do it like this, and I'm not saying it's good or bad, because you have to find, there's many day traders that enjoy doing this. This is just not a system that's right for me, but it is available to those of you that want to do it. So again, this is a 1 minute chart. You can come down and look at this. This is a 5 minute chart. That means, again, that every candle is going to change every 5 minutes. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So you're still sitting at your computer on a regular basis or a timely basis. You're sitting at your computer watching the computer, because every 5 minutes, these candles are going to change. Here's one more example of day traders. This is a 1 hour chart. So that means now that these candles are changing every hour. Every hour on the hour, they're going to change while the markets are open. So the markets are open for me in the Midwest from 8:30 in the morning until 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So every hour on the hour, these candles are going to change. Now, as a swing trader, I'm looking at something more like this. This is a daily chart. Now, all of these candles are only changing once every day. So when we looked at the minute chart, the 5 minute chart, the 1 hour chart, those minutes and hours are all happening in that particular day. But I choose to only look at the full day chart when the end of the day arrives. This is what happened that particular day. This chart happens to be a stock of AR, and it's an oil and gas company. So I'm following this particular stock, but I'm following it by looking at it only once per day or once per week. I've changed it now to a weekly chart. So now this candle, this candle, this candle, each candle is 1 week of activity. So for those of you that are super busy, I've said this in other videos, those of you that are super busy don't have the time to be a day trader and look at it every minute or every hour. You don't have the time to look at it once per day. Then you can start concentrating on a weekly chart and just look weekly at each one. So you can see right now, this particular stock is down this week. That's not hurting me at all. I don't mind that. That may be just a little bit of a pullback. That's why I have an alert here to let me know that if it goes back up and continues above $26.39, I'm going to buy more shares of this particular stock. The trend is up and I'm going to continue to watch it. Those of you that really have no time whatsoever, I'm switching now to a monthly chart. So now the monthly chart, you can see, and this is the reason why I started looking at this particular stock. Monthly tells me the whole story. And it's telling me that the stock is up. So even when we went back and looked at minute by minute charts and 1 hour charts, and it looked like it was down, and even this week, it looks like it's down. Overall, the monthly chart is still telling me that this stock is continuing higher. And so I'm sticking with this until the monthly turns pink. The monthly changes color. As long as this monthly is green, I'm sticking with it. So hopefully this particular video helps you to understand that you can trade in so many different ways. You can be a day trader, a swing trader, an investor, or do a combination. Over the last 15 or 20 years, I had to figure out what was comfortable for me, the same way that you guys will have to figure out what is comfortable for you. So please like, share, comment. If you make comments, I will try to answer your comments. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell you what stocks to buy. This is for educational purposes only. But I want you guys to get the education so that you can learn how to do this for yourselves. And it's a really great occupation once you learn how to do it. So have a great afternoon, a great day, whatever time of the day it is, and I will talk to you soon.